Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Jim Ball Trade Channels. The boom is coming. It's already starting. You can see we got a little bit of a breakout happening right here in Litecoin. Bitcoin is starting to push up. It's coming today. That's what I feel. Let me show you what's going on in the charts. It's going to be a quick video. I want to get this out quickly to you, and that way you can be ready. This thing's going to take a dive today, in my opinion. Let me show you why I think so. Right here on the BTC chart, here's my major count. We're going to have a correction here down to the $4,800 mark, most likely. Unless this is 5 waves complete, then we're coming down here to the $4,000 range in that ballpark. Maybe even to test the bottom again. If that's 5 waves complete. If it's not 5 waves complete, we're gonna actually probably head up a little bit more to the $6,500 range, but we're going to come down first, and then it'll be another push up. So not sure about that, but here's what we're seeing. It's a good chance this is 5 waves complete. Let me show you why. Here, if you go back here to where we bottomed out, you can see the divergence here. It's very clear on the chart. Okay, you've got price coming down while the strength is going up. Okay, that's divergence. I want to show you something supremely interesting. You've got it took for this to happen. Took about 31 days. I measured a little earlier ago. 31 days, about 30 to 31 days for all that to happen, for this final divergence to take place. And I want to show you just something right here. If I start right here at this peak and come over here to this, get off my screen. Okay, there we go. Let's try it again. Come on, really? All right, let's try it again. All right, so you come over here and you measure this peak to peak widespread divergence. You get about 31 days. That doesn't mean anything except that this thing is a widespread divergence. It's ready to go down. You see price going up while this is going down. We do have a breakout to the upside here in this channel, but I think it's going to be a fake out breakout. I think we will wick up into here, then we're coming down. It's going to be a bull trap most likely. So I'm looking for a big drop today. I'm looking for it to mess up some traders. Everybody's this thing has been pushing, and so this is looking like 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we dig in right here a little closer, we can see that. Let's see what that count is looking like here. This last wave. You can see that you got a 1, 2. All this is probably a 3. We got a 4 here. This is probably 1, 2. So this is really hard to count. What's happening right here? Is this the end of 3? Is this the end of 3? And that's this the end of 3, and that's 4. Is this is this a ABC flat? So we got ABC. Is that a flat? And then we're going up for 5. It's really hard to count exactly what's going on right there. But we know that this 5 waves is coming to an end. This is probably going to push up, I'm guessing, up here into the $62 to $6,500 range. We're going to wick up to 65. That's a possibility. I can't be certain of that. I'm not certain, but I just want you to be vigilant today, watching. If you're not in a position in Bitcoin or Litecoin today, I don't recommend you get in a position. I recommend you wait for the substantial correction, but I want you to know that correction is coming. Okay, you can notice that they're playing with price today. Here was a push to the upside. Now they're pushing it down. This is probably a stop hunt. It may be going down from here. I may be catching it on camera. We'll have to see. Or it's a stop hunt. Let's see what's going on. What is going on? I may be catching this dive on camera. It also may be just this may be a 1 wave right here in Litecoin. This is 1, and this is a correction coming down for 2. and then we're going to go up for 3. But they did push it up for a stop hunt to the high. I caught that on camera earlier. Now they're pushing it down. They're yeah, messing with traders right now. This thing is going up one more time, but they're setting it up, buddy. This is definitely a strong setup that's happening. So anyway, wanted to get this out to you quickly, let you know that this is coming. So be ready. I would be out of the market in fiat. Well, when I say I would, I'm just saying that's what I'm doing. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial. Not here to tell you how to spend your money. I'm telling you how I'm spending my money. So anyway, I would once that push up happens, I would be out of the market in currency so that you don't lose your capital, and then you can buy back as it dives. So anyway, right now we got a very risky environment, so be very, very careful out there. Let me just show you one more thing on the 8-hour chart. I wanted to show you. I forgot. We have divergence. Not only do we have divergence here, we've got divergence on the smaller time frame as well. I don't know if you can see that, but you got price going up here, and it's just kind of pushing up slowly while you've got strength going down. Now the divergence could be wiped out, or it could be lessened a little bit as if they do a final push to the upside. So we're going to have to see what's happening. Okay. All right. So be vigilant, be careful, and you guys have a great day.